Just that's Lokesh. My name is Mariam, and we are the official radio partner for, of course, you live in concert here on the 21st of
Okay.
September. Along with us, we also have a very talented host called Tarun, and he's going to
Okay.
be doing the opening act for you with something called Shairi Studio along with Shashwat and Preeti. So we're very excited to
Okay.
be a part of your concert as a station, as City 1016.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Great.
Awesome.
In fact, my colleague Parikshit and I, me, Lokesh, will be hosting the event as well. So cannot wait to kind of host you at the agenda on the 21st of September. And super duper excited,
Absolutely.
Mohit.
Same here. Same here. We all are very, very excited, And I'm also coming to Dubai after a long time.
How long has it
So
been?
I think I came before COVID, actually.
Oh, so
Wow.
about
Uh,
5 years.
yeah. So yeah, about 6 years, 5 years maybe.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah. So I'm really excited, to come and play live for all the music lovers over there. I'm really looking forward there.
We too. We
Okay,
too.
what we're going to do is we have 10 questions with Mohit Chauhan. Okay. Uh, so that we can get to know you better about your journey and about other things as well. So let's
Okay.
start. Especially at your concerts, Mohit, one song that you absolutely love, but you don't end up singing at concerts because you think, ये लोगों को ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आएगा तो मैं नहीं गाता हूँ.
नहीं पसंद की बात नहीं है लेकिन because I have so many songs, this year it's going to be 25 years of me, part of the business, music business. I started in 98 with the band Silk Route, a
Yes.
song called Duba Duba and
Of
Yes.
तो
course.
वो
Of course.
हाँ तो वो 98 में हुआ था तो 25 साल हो गए हैं and I've sung so many beautiful songs, So
Congratulations on
sometimes
25 years and you're celebrating it with
thank
us.
you.
Thank you so much.
Silver Jubilee. It's
Yes,
Silver
Silver
Jubilee,
Jubilee.
So I'm coming to Dubai on my Silver Jubilee. So many times concert में it's difficult to have all my songs क्योंकि length भी होता है, time भी होता है, तो कई बार गाने miss हो जाते हैं. But I try my best, to accommodate all my best songs, जिनको लोग बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो मैं हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं वो गाने जरूर गाऊं, जो which people love.
Okay, so your next question is along the same line, so you have to give us an answer for this one, okay? A song that
Okay.
you think you're not very fond of singing on stage because you think maybe it's not a song that works a lot on stage, but people love it. People will want to sing with you on stage. So what is that one song that really surprises you?
Well, there's one song that I don't sing that often on stage, a song called Guncha, because it's like a soft ghazal kind of a song, but I love singing it whenever I can, and a lot of times people demand that song, So, yeah, yeah.
Mohit, I was just telling Mariam that around 10 years ago, I was interviewing you and you told me a beautiful story about how Guncha came about. You were driving through the mountains with friends, you were pouring yourself a drink, and that's when you composed that song, right?
Kind of, yeah, 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 yeah. Right, right, right.
Beautiful. That's
Okay,
beautiful.
your next question is, any particular song, it could be your song or it could be some other singer's song that you wish you had sung that song. Like you love that song so much that, somebody else's song that you wish that you had sung that song.
I don't know. I never think like that actually, but there are many beautiful songs, that other people have sung. Uh, you know, but I don't really think like that. It's not sort of my nature to think like that. Whatever I get, I'm really grateful, and
Right.
I'm grateful for the fans and for people who love my songs. But yes, there are many beautiful songs, like maybe one Kishore Kumar song. I that's a regret that I have. Maybe I should have been around when R.D. Burman Saab was around. Maybe Kishore Da when he was around. That kind of thing. But yeah, yeah.
So can you think of any Kishore Kumar song that you absolutely like, that you wish that you had sung it like for a film? Does
Yeah, many of
does
Kishore Kumar songs.
Okay. Does any song come to mind right now? Like any song?
Yeah, like "O Mere Dil Ke Chain."
Nice, beautiful.
Sorry, we don't
Yeah.
understand what song you're talking about until unless you sing like a couple of lines. We don't know like.
"O Mere Dil Ke Chain, Chain aaye mere dil ko दुआ दीजिए."
I have.
That song.
Beautiful. You know, there are a lot of our listeners who are just sending us messages. Mohit Chauhan ke concert ke tickets de do bhai, please de do yaar. But so
दे
we
दो
know
यार, दे
the
दो,
kind of
सबको दे दो.
we know the kind of crazy fans there are for Mohit Chauhan. Have you come across any crazy fan moment? Do you remember that one? Arey, this girl came or this boy came to me and this happened. Do you remember any of that?
Any handwritten letters in blood or something?
I know, I met many people, who are crazy music lovers. और क्या होता है कि लोगों के जिंदगी के जो मोमेंट्स होते हैं, वो जुड़ जाते हैं गानों से।
Hmm.
तो फिर उनके लिए वो गाने बहुत स्पेशल हो जाते हैं। जैसे तुमसे ही गाना है। तो आई हैव मेट मेनी पीपल हु सॉर्ट ऑफ met their life partners because of that song. फिर जब वो प्रपोज कर दिया तो वो गाना गाया, वो गाना सुना, और फिर वो लोग उस गाने को हमेशा याद रखते हैं, और उनके लिए वो सारी उम्र वो गाना जो है बहुत ही स्पेशल रहता है। तो ऐसा होता है, जैसे एक बार मैं कॉन्सर्ट के बाद, कॉन्सर्ट खत्म करके जब मैं आया, एंड आई वाज गेटिंग इनटू माय कार, सो देयर वाज ग्रुप ऑफ यंग बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स हु केम अप टू मी रनिंग, और वो बहुत उदास और रो धो रहे थे। तो कहते मुझे हम आपसे नाराज हैं। मैंने बोला क्या हो गया भाई, you didn't like the concert or what? They said we loved the concert, but there's one song that we really 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 wanted to hear, और आपने वो वहां नहीं गाया कॉन्सर्ट में, और वो गुंचा ही गाना था। एक बार ऐसा हुआ था, क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि वो जगह ऐसी थी कि वहां बहुत एनर्जी के गाने चल रहे थे। गुंचा बहुत सॉफ्ट गाना है, तो मैं गाता हूँ उसको। उस दिन शायद मैंने नहीं गाया, तो लोग बहुत मुझसे वो थे कि, तो मुझे कहते, मैंने बोला भी मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ आपके लिए, अब मे बी नेक्स्ट कॉन्सर्ट में गा दूंगा। तो दे सेड प्लीज, आप गाड़ी में बैठने से पहले अगर
Oh,
एक लाइन हमको गुंचा की गा देंगे, एटलीस्ट विल गो होम सेटिस्फाइड कि हमने एक लाइन सुना आपसे। तो मैंने गुनगुना दिया उसका थोड़ा। तो ऐसे लोग मिलते हैं, और वो संगीत प्रेमी होते हैं, बेसिकली म्यूजिक
Correct.
लवर्स होते हैं, दे अटैच टू म्यूजिक, दे अटैच टू द इमोशन अराउंड दैट सॉन्ग। तो अच्छा लगता है ऐसे लोगों से मिलके, और ऐसे लोगों की मैं बात भी सुनता हूँ,
Hmm.
और अगर वो कुछ चाहते हैं तो फिर मैं वो कर देता हूँ उनके लिए।
Mohit, speaking of fans and speaking of concerts, I remember a couple of decades ago, in fact 20 years ago, जब मोबाइल फोन में टॉर्चेस अभी इंट्रोड्यूस ही किए गए थे, एंड आई वाज
राइट।
अटेंडिंग वन ऑफ योर कॉन्सर्ट्स इन दिल्ली, एंड we were very new to the whole concept of torches in our phones, and I think that was one of the first few concerts जहां पर हर किसी ने अपना फोन निकाला, टॉर्च ऑन किया, लाइट्स डिम हो गई थी, एंड आप परफॉर्म कर रहे थे. डू यू हैव एनी,
जी।
मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं I'm speaking about it. Do you have any particular crazy concert story, the most memorable concert, you have performed around the world? तो कोई ऐसा दिमाग में आता है, कोई ऐसी स्टोरी जो आपकी फेवरेट हो?
जैसा अभी रिसेंटली हुआ था, मैं दिल्ली में आई वाज परफॉर्मिंग इन अ यूनिवर्सिटी, और यूनिवर्सिटी का जो ग्राउंड था उसमें कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा था।
जी.
सो देयर वर अबाउट 10-15-20,000 लोग थे वहां पर कॉन्सर्ट देखने के लिए। तो ग्राउंड काफी भर गया था। तो जहां पर मैं परफॉर्म कर रहा था उसके एकदम सामने एक मेट्रो ब्रिज था, ऊपर जहां ट्रेन जाती है। और तो व्हेन आई लुक्ड अप, द होल ब्रिज वाज फुल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स,
Wow.
जिनको अंदर आने की जगह नहीं मिली। सो दे वर ऑल स्टैंडिंग ऑन दैट
Wow.
ब्रिज, मेट्रो ब्रिज अक्रॉस द कॉन्सर्ट ग्राउंड।
Oof.
एंड आई फेल्ट सो ब्यूटीफुल, बिकॉज वो लोग संगीत, और फिर बाद में बहुत सारे जो लोग वहां खड़े थे उन्होंने अपने वीडियोस डाले, जिसमें वो लोग दे वाचिंग द कॉन्सर्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेट्रो ब्रिज, और
Wow.
वहां से दूर दिख रहा है छोटा स्टेज, लेकिन आवाज आ रही है, एंड दे आर डांसिंग एंड दे आर सिंगिंग। तो ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी होता है।
What a beautiful memory. What a beautiful memory.
Really,
हमारा
really.
जो दुबई का जो हमारा वेन्यू है, दी एजेंडा, जब आप परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, हमारे एजेंडा के पास भी मेट्रो निकलती है. So you can expect a lot of lot of
जी।
fans across the road as
जी।
well.
You know, we all know you're really, really good. You're so good on stage, your presence, everything. But I'm sure there's this one moment, Mohit ji, jahan pe you've forgotten the lyrics or something wrong has happened up on stage. Any, memory like that you can tell us about? आप क्या करते हो इस टाइम पे जब आप लिरिक्स भूल जाते हो स्टेज पे?
देखिए, हर आर्टिस्ट जो है, उसके साथ ऐसा होता है और हो सकता है।
एग्जैक्टली.
तो लोग तो लोग जैसे मैं फाइल रखता हूँ अपना गाने का, एंड समटाइम्स यू हैव अ टेलीप्रॉम्प्टर जिस पे लिरिक्स आते हैं। और कई बार ऐसा भी हुआ है कि वो लिरिक्स आने में थोड़ा डिले हो गया और अगला अंतरा आ गया है. Lekin I sing live, I have a live band with me. So I can take some time, and come back to the song. Doesn't really matter. So हो जाता है छोटा मोटा चीज, but it's all rock and roll.
Yes.
आप स्टेज पे लाइव गा रहे हैं, लाइव लोग आपके साथ गा रहे हैं, तो उसमें छोटा मोटा स्नैग होता है, वो मालूम नहीं पड़ता है. और क्योंकि इतना मजा आ रहा होता है, इतनी एनर्जी होती है कि छोटी मोटी चीज जो है वो माफ हो जाती है.
Right, right.
Right. Absolutely.
Mohit, I think कोई भी conversation आपके साथ अधूरी रहेगी if we do not bring up Rockstar. I think you are pretty
Right.
much the rock star of that movie.
Yeah.
Like, you're the voice of that movie. There are so many amazing songs, Mohit. If you can think of one memory, while recording any of those songs, कुछ ऐसा जो कि इंटरनेट पे नहीं है, किसी को नहीं पता उसके बारे में. Anything that you can think of, any rockstar memory that you have.
Rockstar, has been a very special project that I was part of. And I think I was really fortunate. And I'm really thankful to Rahman Saab, to Imtiaz Ali, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to sing about 12, 13 songs, in this film. And I have great memories about Rockstar, because it took me 1 year almost, to and fro, going to Chennai and meeting up Rahman Saab in Bombay. Every month we would record like 1 or 2 songs, 3 songs, and then next month we'll again go to Chennai or Bombay, and so we had great times, and it was great hanging out with Rahman Saab. Ranbir Kapoor used to be around, watching my every move because he was playing a musician in the film. And so he's an amazing guy. So we used to have a lot of chatting sessions. इम्तियाज अली जो हैं, उनके साथ मेरा बहुत प्रेम है. जब से मैंने तुमसे ही में उनके साथ जब वी मेट का गाना गाया था तुमसे ही,
Right.
तो उनके साथ भी बहुत आनंद आता है. आई थिंक वी हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम, एंड बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स रहे. बट it was really amazing,
I
really.
remember,
Irshad Bhai.
I remember.
And one special thing about Rockstar was that I saw the songs being born. So the composition is absolutely rough. There are no lyrics in it. और मेरे सामने सामने पहली लाइन लिखी जा रही है गाने की, दूसरी लाइन लिखी जा रही है. So it was like a workshop actually. And
Wow.
it was a great learning experience. और गाना कैसे कैसे फॉर्म हो रहा है, फॉर्म होते होते फाइनल एक शेप आ गया उसका.
Oh,
तो वो मैंने
so the songs were not prepared beforehand. आप जब पहुंचे स्टूडियो में, so आपके सामने the song was being written and composed at the same time.
हाँ, मतलब उसका कॉम्पोजिशन है,
Right.
लेकिन इट्स द फाइनल सॉन्ग इज लाइक 5 minutes. बट जब मैं गया तो गाना वाज लाइक 10 minutes लॉन्ग. उस पे बहुत सारा इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस हैं, जैमिंग हो रहा है गाने में. और फिर इम्तियाज जो हैं और रहमान साहब जो हैं, वो उन गानों को चिजल अप कर रहे हैं कि ये 10 मिनट का गाना है, इसको कैसे ये चीज रखते हैं, ऐसा बनाते हैं, इसको ऐसे कनेक्ट करेंगे. एंड आई वुड सी द प्रोसेस हैपनिंग, एंड आई वुड सी इरशाद भाई starting with his first line, then second line, then third line, and I was part of that thing over there. Ranveer also used to be around. तो बहुत मजा आता था. It was like amazing, क्योंकि होता नहीं है ऐसा. फिल्मों का गाना जब आप गाते हो तो पूरा गाना तैयार होता है, everything is perfect, आपको जाके बस गाना सुनना है और उसको डिलीवर करना है. लेकिन that was like, a great learning experience. That was amazing about
The
Rockstar.
fact that ये सारे जो गाने आपके सामने, they are creating it, did you also put any creative input in any of the lines or any of the melodies of any of the songs from Rockstar?
I don't know. I must have.
Okay. So now we're waiting for you to come to Dubai, and you've said that you've come here 5 to 6 years ago. Are you looking forward to, eating something special or doing something else in Dubai?
So I have been to Dubai a couple of times in the past, like 2, 3 years.
Correct.
And I love the vibe of the city, and I love that's really organized, absolutely clean. Everything is spot on. There's beauty over there in the city. There's great stuff that you can look around to buy. The music shops are amazing. The desert is beautiful outside the city.
Yes.
So I just love the vibe of the place, and I love the food also. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah.
Okay,
Very excited.
Mohit, if you were not a singer, what would you be?
Okay. Okay. The funny thing is that when I came to uh, Mumbai and Delhi from Himachal, I belong to Himachal. I had studied science. I was a BSc student. Then I did my master's in science in a subject called geology. I did
Wow.
my MSc. So when I came down and destiny got me in contact with some people, कुछ संगीत बना, आगे चीजें बढ़ी. तो अभी मैं वापस देखता हूँ in hindsight, I never had a plan B. So
Hmm.
sometimes I wonder कि अगर मैं नहीं कुछ बना होता तो मैं कहाँ जाता. वो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं. I was always looking forward. I was always hopeful, and I had faith in the Babaji above.
Yeah, man. And
You guys,
25 years.
yeah. And
25
lastly,
years, yeah.
before we ask you to leave and obviously prepare for the concert, what
Yes,
are
I'm in a
those?
session actually.
हाँ, आज का हो गया?
नहीं, अभी थोड़ा बचा हुआ है. तो मैंने
Okay,
बोला मैं फटाफट आप लोगों से बात कर लेता हूँ. And then I have to
perfect.
get back to my rehearsal. थोड़ी देर है अभी, आधा पौना घंटा. And then again, tomorrow again we are meeting up and finishing and finalizing certain things.
Nice.
Awesome. But when you're coming for a concert, do you have like, अरे यार, I wish these kind of audience is not there. That one kind of audience that you feel अरे बहुत annoying है या बहुत irritating है. Have you ever felt that?
नहीं, जब संगीत बजता है तो सब लोग मस्त हो जाते हैं. किसी को हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो एक बार जब शाम शुरू हो जाती है, then everyone's with you. They're singing, they're dancing, and 25 साल का मेरा करियर है, तो I've got something for everyone. किसी
Absolutely.
को स्लो गाना, किसी को रोमांटिक गाना, किसी को रॉक सॉन्ग है, किसी को कुछ और है. तो I've got stuff. So I can hopefully I'm going to make people happy. जो भी
Perfect.
जिस भी तरह के लोग होंगे.
Mohit, you
Yeah.
have made us happy for the last 25 years. और जैसे आप बोल रहे थे कि हर इमोशन पे, हर फील के ऊपर आपका गाना है. इनफैक्ट हमारे
जी
रेडियो
जी.
स्टेशन पे हर तीसरा
Just
गाना,
getting to that. Yeah.
हर दूसरा गाना आप ही का होता है. So we are more than happy and more
Thank
than
you.
excited to actually host you on the 21st of
Thank
September.
you.
Really
Thank you
cannot
very much.
And before
Thank
you,
you very much.
because we have
Thank
like
you.
40 minutes non-stop music of Mohit Chauhan that we are playing to promote the concert, can you just say
जी.
you're listening to me, Mohit Chauhan, and my song on City 1016 so we can play that for your songs?
Okay, so you listening to me?
Mohit Chauhan?
I will just say
You're
and
listening.
then you can repeat, okay? Hi, this is Mohit Chauhan
Hi, this is Mohit Chauhan
on City 1016.
on City 1016.
Catch me live on 21st of September
Catch me live on 21st of September
at the Agenda.
at the Agenda.
Superb.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And we will
Thank
see
you.
you very, very
Thank
soon.
you.
Thank you,
It was
Mohit.
lovely talking to you guys. Thank
Very,
you.
very
Same here,
nice
All the
talking
same
to
here.
you. Very
Thank you.
nice
All the
talking.
best.
Thank you.
All the
Thank you.
best. Take care.
You too.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.